All right, we're going to be putting our screen latches on. You notice we have one latch is set for a left opening, one latch is set for a right opening. You always want that hook coming up. So we have a recessed groove there in the back that'll sit nice onto our frame. We're mounting the handles. Want to make sure, especially on the door, make sure our latch is clearing our handle on our door. So on your door, if you measure from your screen track, we want to be at 48 inches to the top of our latch. And that attaches with our small black tech screw, Phillips screws. I'm going to set that on there, have my top at 48, and attach that in with 2 screws. And then we have our screen catch that's going to go into our jamb on the side. It's going to attach there. I'm just going to bring that over, close our screen where I'm lined up. We have our latch in there, and again with the black Phillips screws, attach that in. Like that. And then on our windows, we have the same, bring the latch up into our screen frame like that. On the windows, we want to measure from our screen track. We want 34 inches to the top of our latch. We want to make sure all our latches stay at a nice even height around the room. And finally, on the doors only, we have our outside pull. That'll attach on the outside of our screen, right in line with our inside latch.